This is a DDAmanda video on Simple Limited, symbol SPPL on the NASDAQ. You know, when you first look at DDAmanda, this is a different stock here. This is TANH. But I wanted to go over and explain some of this data because it looks really intimidating at first, but it's really not. If you just look at it for a few minutes, it'll all make sense. Here we have, on the right side, we have 200 days of trading data. In the program, you can scroll down and get all 200 days. This just shows the most recent. So you have your date, your actual dollars traded, which is really important. I don't really believe in volume that much. I go by dollars traded. What's the money? The price you closed at, the factor. This is what we use a lot to run our scans and find these stocks, that, pick them out. The actual volume, the intraday low, high, and open. The percentage up, if she went up, there'll be a number in here. And if she went down, there'll be a number in here. There's some other stuff here I'm not going to get into. You also show your actual book value from the financials in real time. Your price to book ratio, your earnings per share, your EPS, your PE, and your cash ratio, which is, total current assets versus total assets. You've also got 5 days worth of RSI here. This is today, and then, yesterday and the other 4 days ago, all right? And then you have StockTwit's number of followers. It's just a lot of information in one spot, so you don't have to go all over hell and gone to find it. So, and then we have a chart here. If you click on this chart in the program, it'll switch to a 90-day chart. And if you click on it again, it'll show you a real-time daily chart, what's happening in that day, and also what happened today. All right, so this is an explanation of some of this stuff here. So let's get back to the stock we're talking about. Now this is an interesting one because here you had a bunch of factors that, high factors, but no real movement. However, because of these factors, we know that something is up, okay? And she kind of just stayed in this channel here, the low 30s here. Then actually had a nice 200-day low here on 10/29, right there. And then finally she blew up, up 269% today. Traded $324 million. Closed at 118 and had an intraday high of 137. So an entry on this, if you were watching it, would have been somewhere in this 30 area. Okay. And you could have possibly bought a few more on the 28 on this 200-day low. But now you're up huge, okay? Anyway, so DDAmanda found another one for you guys, and some guys made a lot of money. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby.